Hello, welcome to Gayathri's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make ghee or clarified butter at home. Since I regularly prepare ghee, I thought of sharing my process with you all. This process is very easy and the result is fresh homemade ghee with a wonderful aroma and flavor. Now let's get into the process. For this, I am using 2 lbs of organic unsalted butter. I am using the Wellesley Farms brand, but you can use any unsalted butter of your choice. This 2 lb organic butter cost me around $11.50. I checked the price of ghee and it varies depending on the brand. One brand costs around $25 for 3 lbs, while organic ghee costs over $30 for just 2 lbs. So by making ghee at home, we can save a little money as well. Traditionally in India, my mom, my grandmother, and my mother in law used to make butter by churning homemade yogurt. However, here in the US, we cannot do that because the milk available here is pasteurized and homogenized. Even whole milk doesn't yield butter. So instead, I buy unsalted butter from the store and make ghee from it. Here I am adding all the butter in the sauce pot. Now turn on the stove and place the sauce pot. Let the butter melt completely. Once the butter has melted, it will start bubbling. In the beginning, the bubbles will be large and it may start splatter. As you can see, the bubbles are getting larger and there is a chance of splattering. So keep the heat on low to medium to prevent it from splattering. It's been around 10 minutes on low to medium heat and the splattering has reduced, but there are still bubbles forming. Now we can increase the heat to medium to high and continue cooking until a nice aroma fills the air. Right now it is a thick, bright yellow liquid. Continue cooking until it turns into a clear, light golden brown color. Now it has turned into a clear golden color. At this stage, do not step away. The last few minutes are very important, so stay close and keep an eye on it. If you leave, it might burn and the flavor won't be as good. So staying close in the last few minutes is very important. You can see the ghee is slowly changing the color into a beautiful, clear golden brown. At this stage, you can notice the wonderful smell of the ghee filling in the room. And the sizzling sounds have almost completely reduced. This is the major sign that the ghee is ready. These are the 3 key signs to look for: the clear golden brown color, the flavorful aroma, and the reduced sizzling sounds. Now turn off the stove and remove the pot from the heat, and let's wait until it's lukewarm before straining. The entire ghee making process took me around 30 to 35 minutes. As you can see, the ghee is now lukewarm and I am touching the pot. It's safe to handle. We can now filter this into a bottle. Before filtering the ghee, make sure the filter and the storage bottle are completely clean and dry. Since we will be storing the ghee for a long time, it is important to keep everything moisture free to prevent spoiling, so that we can enjoy our fresh ghee until the last spoon. I'm taking all the remaining milk solids into the strainer to filter the ghee. Then I discard these milk solids. And that's it. Our ghee is ready. This is how I make ghee every time. If you are using store-bought ghee, I encourage you to try this method. It's very simple, fresh, and homemade without any preservatives. Plus, it can help save a little money. Of course, it does take some time, but if you want to try, you can try. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.